Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got another unboxing for you for another game. This is the MB Games Downfall for 2 to 4 players. Right, normal box art. This is, I don't think this is a classic old one, but it's more of a 80s version I think, but still very much exactly like it was originally. Now, your game consists of your board and your stand. For our benefits, that stand's going to be a problem because it's going to stand up and my camera is mounted above. That goes in one way only, not to confuse a stupid person. And what you would have is 3 sets of colours of these little counters. So you'd load them up inside here. 1, 2, 4 and 5, and then seal it in, and if by magic all 4 are about to be done, ta-da, there we go. So 1 to 5, 1 to 5, there we go. Now you would actually need to set this up before you start. Look, it's already set. You've got the arrows on each one of these turning points. You need to point to the arrows there, so you would take turns. If it's a 4-player game, player 1 would be this one, player 2 would be there, player 3 would be player 4. Right, so let's start at the back here. Let's start with player 1. So you turn these, the way that I used to play it was, if it's in continuous, you can carry on turning, then it's there. If not, then you turn this round, with it being upright, would catch that, and I could probably move round, and I can't go any further because on this side, it's jammed in. You see what I mean? Because you've actually got, that should be there, shouldn't it? That should drop down. You've captured this one as player 1, but you've also helped player 3 by bringing one down to the blue. So yeah, then player 2 would come in. So actually, let's do opposite sides. Let's do player 2 for this one. So player 2 would then itself maybe go round to there. Player 3 is the green. Now the green one has a problem because he needs to get rid of this one. So you might opt for, I don't know what sort of move you'd do. Very awkward one, because he's blocking him this one. And you'd probably just annoy him a little bit by going past, and player 4 would need to go and see, this is the problem with not being upright. So back down to player 1, the orange one. I'll move that to there. Player 2, blue. Get that round, and that should have dropped into there anyway. With it being not upright like that, I'm not doing a video where you can do upright like that. So that goes into there. Player 3 still has the problem with this being there, but you can continue around and that can go there ready. And player 4 is a little bit annoyed, but moves there anyway. Back to player 1. You get the gist that you've got to get your counters down. All of this, it's easier when you've got 2 players because this is yours and this is theirs. So then you're just bringing your counters down, and once they're all the way down to the bottom, doesn't matter if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 5. They just need dropping at the bottom. Ta-da! Once you get all your counters down, you've won the game. So there we go, Downfall. The one I had originally was a lot more harder plastic. This is quite softer ABS plastic. Still works alright, it's just, with it being on its side, doesn't too well for the video. But you can play much you want. They still do these, I'm sure, on Amazon. Go out, buy them. If not, look on eBay. Plenty of game boards, games to go and find and play and get busy. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow my social medias, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.